Good afternoon, everybody. It is once again Ted the Speed Learner, and today I'm going to do a video about how to solve when you are dividing compound fractions. Okay, so what's a compound fraction? Well, this is a compound fraction. What you have here is a numerator that's a fraction and a denominator that's a fraction. What you're going to do is you're going to divide the numerator by the denominator. And you say, what? What's a numerator? What's a denominator? The top number of any fraction is the numerator, and the bottom number is the denominator. Numerator, denominator, numerator, denominator, numerator, denominator. Did I go on? Okay. In this case, the numerator is 1/2, the denominator is 1/2. How are you going to divide all these? Well, in decimal answers, this is 0.5 and this is 0.5. Well, 0.5 divided by 0.5 is 1. Why? Because any number divided by itself is automatically going to be 1. That's something you should have learned from elementary arithmetic a long time ago. Alright. Now you say, well, we can't divide like this. I'll give you that. What if I told you you could actually multiply the numerator by the reciprocal of the denominator? Now, we already know what a denominator is. What's the reciprocal? Well, I did a video about that a long time ago, but I'll tell you again. The reciprocal of this is when you take the 1/2 and you flip it upside down so it becomes 2/1. The reciprocal of 1/2 is 2/1. That's the way it is. So if you multiply 1/2 by 2/1, well, 1 times 2 is 2, and 2 times 1 is 2, so now you got a fraction of 2/2. Now, what did I tell you? I told you that if you divide a number by itself, you automatically get 1. 2 divided by 2, 1. Okay? Now then, can we cancel out numbers? You betcha we can. 1/2 times 2/1. Well, we cancel out the 2 here, turn it into a 1. We cancel out the 2 here, we turn it into 1. Why? Because 2 goes into 2 one time. So now we got a fraction of 1/1, a fraction of 1/1. Now what happens when we divide a number by itself? We get 1. 1 divided by 1 is 1. 1 divided by 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. That's how you solve complex fractions. Now, we're going to give you one more challenge here. Okay? We'll see if you can do this. How are you going to solve that, baby? Well, here's how you're going to solve it. Alrighty, we're going to take the 4/2 and we're going to multiply it by the reciprocal of 2/4. Now then, 2 goes into itself once, 2 goes into 4 twice. 2 goes into itself once, 2 goes into 4 twice. So now you have 2 times 2, which now equals 4. Because 2/1 is still 2, and 2/1 is still 2. Or, in better terms, 2 divided by 1 is 2, 2 divided by 1 is 2, so therefore, 2 times 2 is 4. And that's how we solve complex fractions. Why is this important? Because you're going to run into it in trig. I mean, you're going to run head-on into it. And I'm going to teach you about that in just a little bit. Stay tuned.